Hello everyone. So sorry I've been away for I don't know, months, maybe 2 months. There were some issues with the machine that I usually use for these videos. My only machine, to be very honest. So I could not make videos at that time. So what we are doing here today is we are going to create a GitHub account, and we are going to create a GitHub repository after that, and we are going to use that repository to save our passwords for the different the flags that we are going to capture, which are going to be used as passwords for the next stages of the Bandit CTF challenges. So let's just create, sorry, this is a sign in page, right? Let's go to create page. Yeah, okay, there we go. Continue. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's create a password. Seems good enough. I hope I did not write something that I did not want to. Anyways, I'll have to reset it afterwards if I did. Yeah, the username is available. It's a good thing. Would you like to receive fire updates? Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, pick a piece, one square that shows two identical objects. What? I don't get the question. It shows two identical objects. I think this one has two pens. This is probably the right one. Identical objects. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay. Let's create an account. Oh man, I'm gonna have to verify my email. I'm just gonna open it up on my phone and see what the code they gave me is, and type it over here. That's it. Let's go, come on. Yeah, it'll probably be just me. I'm a student actually. I don't think I'd qualify to be called a teacher yet. Collaborative coding, sure. I'll not be doing CI/CD stuff. Security, yeah, I'll definitely be creating private repos and stuff like that. No, I don't need LDAP and stuff like that. No. Client apps, project management, team administration, community. Yeah, I'd love to have a community around this GitHub account, if I could at some point. Sure. Right. We're gonna go free. We don't yet want the student benefits. Analyze. Wow. Initializing your dashboard. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to create a repository because it's just right there. You can create it over here, or we can click this create repository button if this dialog does not appear. So we are gonna name it Bandit over the wire, and I'm gonna create a public repository for it. Oh, sorry, should have done private, because I don't want all you guys to, you know, jump through everything that might be important, because I really want all of you guys to try it out on your own. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna create a SSH key. That's strange. Yeah, keygen, that's more like it. Yeah, just default. No, nothing. Right, and I'm gonna have to copy the public key from here. This is the one, and paste it over into my GitHub account. I'm sorry, what am I doing here? Yeah, that's more like it. I'm gonna copy this over here. I'm gonna go to settings. Yeah, okay, and I'm gonna go to SSH and GPG keys. I'm gonna add a new SSH key. I'm gonna call it, let's say, Ubuntu 22.10. I guess that's the version I'm using. I don't even remember the variables. Yeah, I'm gonna paste it over here. I'm gonna click on add SSH key. Right, now that the SSH key is there, we can use this SSH key to pretty much anything on our GitHub account. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna open a new terminal. I did open a new terminal. Where is it? Here it is. Clear everything up. I'm gonna say git clone. I'm going to paste this link over here. It will ask me to accept the fingerprints, which I do. And yeah, I know it's an empty repository. Come on. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna go into oh, come on. I don't know why I do not have a tab completion over here. I'll fix it later maybe. We go into this directory and we see, did I just ls into it? Yeah, I did. I did previously, my bad. Anyways, we are going to create a text file over here. Let's call it passwords. Yeah, we can also call it flags. Let's call it flags, or should it be passwords? I think we should call it passwords. And let's make it a markdown file. Oh man, sorry guys. Right, now that we have this file, we are gonna say git add, stage these changes, commit, write a commit message, Really, this video is gonna take a while. I don't know if my system can handle that much of recording. It will soon notify me that my space is full, so I'll probably gonna have to do something about that. Okay, user.email. And user.name. Come on now, push it. Don't push me now. Okay, the commit was successful. Now I'm gonna say git push, and all these changes will reflect on my GitHub account. They should, at least. Yeah, let's refresh this page, and there we go. We have a markdown file. We'll start writing it in the next video. We'll start adding content to it. We'll see how we can store our passwords over here, and I'm also going to make this private repository. Yeah, so let's do that in the next video.